Hi, this is Chris, and today we're going to be looking at the Suzuki RG250 Gamma Mark III. Now, this bike was produced in July 1986, or sorry, that's the first day it was registered, and it is a 250cc or 247cc motorbike. So it is a liquid-cooled parallel twin 2-stroke engine, and it is water-cooled. It has disc brakes front and back. The front ones are twins. The seat height is 785mm, and at date of production it's a bit hard to find out the exact horsepower on these, because lots of people have different says on it, but it says it's between 45 and 62 horsepower. It has a 17 litre tank that should get you somewhere around the region of 100 miles. This is a 2-stroke, you're not buying this for the mileage. Miles per gallon, sorry. So top speed on this at date of manufacture was 130 miles an hour. This is still a really quick bike, and I'm sure it will get somewhere close to that. So it is a 6-speed wet multiplate clutch, and that's pretty much it on the spec. So we had this bike for quite a few years now, and we've done a lot to it. So it's got a full respray, a new nose cone, new tyres, fork seals, proper Suzuki ones, rebuilt calipers, new seals, pads, etc. And we also cleaned out all the pipes. New master cylinder, new end cans, new front indicator replacement, rider seat, new battery and a carb clean. And all of this took us a long time. I think it was around a year. The bike rides and runs really well now. It starts up first kick, and for a 33-year-old bike you can't really go wrong with that. Because it's a 2-stroke, it still has that 2-stroke tinny din sound, and it's got oodles of power. As long as you get the bike in the power band, it pulls really well. So some of the fairings on this aren't modern styled like some of the say the Suzuki, not the Suzuki, I'll get in trouble for saying that, the Lexham LXR. All the panels are closed in, all the wires are hidden. This is 1980s technology, and back in the day they didn't really mind about seeing the wires and some of the externals that we probably have an issue with today. Riding style is pretty much the same as some of the newer bikes. It's really light. So yeah, there's not really that much more to say about it. Stopping and going is the equivalent to a new bike. These do have a lot higher top end than say you would get off of a normal 250 these days. So this bike is actually for sale, and if you are interested in purchasing it, it's available from cheapbikesrus. There is a listing on eBay, so have a look on there. Somebody did ask us to do a startup video, so that's why I'm doing the video. This bike is about 95% complete. There are a couple of tweaks and some parts that people want to make their own. Shall we say just a little bit of tinkering and tweaking about, and it would be close to mint. It's not going to be 100% original due to the master cylinder for the front brake. That was an aftermarket one. But this isn't at fully restored price, so you do get quite a reduction on that. So thank you for watching my video. If you've got any comments or any ideas on any new videos that you would like me to produce, please type them in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated, and as always, ride safe.